Hello, US Classic Muscle Cars loves convertibles. I hope you enjoy this next video. We definitely did. Hi Tom, could you tell me a little bit about your car?
Yeah, this is a 1956 Corvette.
She's beautiful.
Thank you.
What color is this?
This is called Arctic Blue and it's got silver coves.
The tires.
The tires are the wide white walls bias ply. That's like the original tires that were put on the car when they were sold new.
It really does make the car.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Makes it stand out.
Yes. Curious.
Sure.
You're the only driver?
Yes, I am.
You don't allow anybody else to drive it? She's your baby.
At this point, yes. It's still a car in work. There's still things I need to do to it to actually finish it up.
How long have you had the car?
23 years. So it's been around for a while.
And the condition that when you got the car?
It was in terrible condition. Didn't have an engine, didn't have a transmission, had very little interior.
So you've basically done a complete restore.
It's been completely restored. The front end on the car when I originally got it was one of these extended front ends that came out to here. So I cut that off and replaced all that.
Beautiful front end, isn't it?
It is a very beautiful. I love the chrome.
Yes. Yeah, that's one thing. They did put a lot of chrome in these cars back then.
Can you tell me a little bit about the interior?
The interior, the color is called Shoreline Beige, and that was the same interior that was used on 56 and 57 Corvettes. Basically, this is a predecessor of the 57, the first of this body style.
You're still working on your instrument clusters?
Yes, I am. Yes.
Okay.
Got some pieces out for repairs, and when those are finished up, we'll move on.
May I sit in the car, please?
Yes, you can. Please don't step on the clutch because.
Oh, I will definitely. I know. I promise I won't.
Because I don't want it to roll backwards.
Exactly. My car's sitting on a hill, so I definitely relate.
This is it, huh?
She is a very beautiful car.
This looks great.
And these three are out for repair?
Yes, the fuel gauge, the temperature gauge, and the tachometer. Those still need to have some repairs done to them, and when I get them back, they'll get reinstalled.
Like pattern this is like...
That's called a waffle pattern.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and that, like I said, was used on, there was only two color interiors in 56 and 57. It was the Shoreline Beige and Red. Those were the only two options as far as interior colors.
I like this one better than the red.
Yeah.
How does it feel in there? Does it feel like this?
It's actually very comfortable, surprisingly enough.
Yeah.
I could see myself driving a car like this.
And these cars, of course, they were not built with seat belts. Those are something that I've added to, improve safety, etc.
Manual 3-speed?
Manual 3-speed transmission. That's
okay.
The only thing available on this car at that time was a manual 3-speed or an automatic.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice car.
Thank you. Okay.
Won any awards?
No, this is actually the first car show I brought it to.
Your first?
Yes. Like I said, we just put the hood on the other day, so it's still needs.
So I will probably be seeing you around a lot more over the next few years, and next year will be a really good year for you.
Yes,
because
it will.
You'll be closer to completion.
You got it. That's what'll happen.
She's beautiful.
Well,
she really is beautiful.
Yep.
Tom, is there any chance I can get to see the hood?
Absolutely.
Or under the hood?
Under the hood.
Yeah,
yes.
under the hood.
Yes,
Let's see what's under here.
Here we go. What we've got is a 265 cubic inch V8 with dual quad carburetors, rated at 225 horsepower.
Nice. Now you said this car didn't have an engine, so where did you acquire this engine for this?
This engine, I had a bare block that I took and restored and purchased some heads that were matching type, and the intake manifold and the carburetors, and many of the other components I searched for and found what I needed. That's why it's taken me 23 years to do this.
So, out of the 23 years that you've done this, you're about 99%
yes.
to completion.
You got it.
How satisfied are you with the outcome of everything you've done?
I'm satisfied. I mean, the car's not perfect, but it'll serve my purposes.
Well, she is a very beautiful car.
Thank
and
you.
definitely something to be proud of.
You bet.
You've done a wonderful job.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tom, for the
Okay.
interview.
Thank you.
And I'm looking very forward to running into you over the next few years at
We'll
the shows.
see me at other places.
Yes, I'm hoping.
Very good. Thank you.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. We're gonna heat things up. Make sure to look into our Instagram and subscribe and watch our videos. Thank you.